Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert a basic signature to your email on the new Microsoft Outlook used on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, you may have noticed that you have been migrated to the latest version of the application. Let's now compile a brand new email by going to the left hand side top corner, where we see new email. Hover over this to create an email, event or contact. We will be creating a new email. Click on this. Let's now add a recipient, which will be the Computer Science Videos business@gmail account. There we have it on screen. Double click to expand to confirm that it is going to the Gmail account. The subject will be trial. Let's compile a brand new email. Dear CSV, please see the signature below. Kind regards. And here what we can do is either insert a signature or create one. In this tutorial, we will create the very basic signature, and in the near future, we will create different types of signatures so we can then insert those into our email. So this is from the admin. Next line, let's just add a mobile number. So 1 all the way to 9. Let's add our email. admin@computersciencevideos.com. Press enter on that. As you can see, that now becomes a hyperlink for us to click, or for the recipient to click if they wish to. We can also add in a basic image. So now let's go to another desktop, go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to my YouTube channel, locate an image. There we have it. Highlight, Command C to copy. On the desktop page, close out of Finder, go to Microsoft Outlook, drag and drop that image into the email. Let's now decrease the size of that image itself, as that is part of our basic signature. So that's fine. That's now done. Let's add the admin in bold. So that's fine. That's all done. That basic signature has now been created. If we wish to, we can add this as part of the insert signature, so we then don't have to contiguously keep writing this up. So let's now click on send. The email has been sent. So now let's minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this. Wait for that to load. Now let's go to Gmail. Click on the email that we have received, and there we have it. Dear CSV, please see the signature. Kind regards from the admin with number, email, and image. So we can now quit Google Chrome. Now let's go down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook, quit Outlook. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.